Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making crispy fried chicken. So to make crispy fried chicken, of course, you first need chicken. I have properly washed my chicken and trimmed off the fat edges. Next, I'm going to generously season it with salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, which is hot chili pepper for spice, and chicken seasoning cube. I am using Knorr chicken seasoning cube. I'll use my hands to rub the spices into the chicken. Next, I'm going to cover this in buttermilk. If you don't have access to buttermilk, you can simply make yours by combining milk. You can use powdered milk with water. Add about a tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar or lemon juice. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes and there you have buttermilk. I'm going to cover this and let it sit in a refrigerator overnight so that the spices can really get into it. After marinating, I'm going to proceed to fry the chicken. To do this, heat up oil in a deep pot. If you have a deep fryer, that would be perfect. And while the oil is heating, I'm going to proceed to make the breading for the chicken. For the breading, combine all-purpose flour, garlic and onion powder, paprika, chili pepper, chicken seasoning, and I also added cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to give the chicken a very crispy texture. And please note that the written recipe can be found in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, it would be really helpful. Okay, so next I'll coat the chicken by adding it to the flour mix a few pieces at a time. I'll shake this so that it can get evenly coated. You can also dip the chicken a piece at a time in the flour mixture. The bowl method is faster and less messy. Next, fry the chicken in oil. The oil should be between 350 to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to fry in batches and make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. 3 to 5 pieces at a time is perfect. Overcrowding the pan will result in very oily chicken. Fry this on medium heat for 12 minutes. The chicken wings can be taken out after 8 minutes. After every batch, take out the little pieces that may have fallen in the oil. Wait for 1 minute for the oil temperature to get back up. Then repeat this process until the entire chicken is fried. I had some leftover flour breading mix, so I decided to make some chicken nuggets last minute. I did this by adding cut up chicken breast to the leftover buttermilk marinade, marinated for about 1 hour, then coated in the leftover flour mixture, and I fried this for about 6 minutes until it was nice and golden brown. Immediately after frying, I transfer to a cooling rack. This will help retain the crispy texture. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make crispy fried chicken. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.